21 says DF bisects angle EDG, find FG. The diagram is not to scale. So if I have an angle bisector, then I know that these two segments are going to be congruent to each other. So I know EF is congruent to GF. That also tells me that N plus 8 equals, I just want to double check that I write the right number here, 3N minus 4. We're going to subtract an N from both sides. We get 8 equals 2N minus 4. We'll add 4 to both sides. And we get 2N equals 12. If we divide by 2, then N equals 6. They didn't want us to find N, they wanted FG. I know that FG equals 3N minus 4. So we're going to go ahead and plug in that 6. So we're going to do 3 times 6 minus 4, which is 18 minus 4, which equals 14. So my final answer for this one would be FG equals 14. 22 says Q is equidistant from the sides of angle TSR. Find the value of X. So that tells me that because these two are congruent, these two angles are congruent. So I know angle TSQ is congruent to angle RSQ. Really what that means is 3x plus 18 equals 24. We're going to go ahead and solve for x, so we're subtracting 18 from both sides. When I do that, I get 3x equals 6. We'll divide both sides by 3, which means x equals 2. You don't have to plug it in, we are just looking for the value of x, so my final answer would be x equals 2.